What's up, everybody? CEO at Fresh FP&A, Chris Ortega here. And today, I wanted to dive into how you can take your financial management and project oversight to the next level using Monday.com. Specifically, I'm going to talk about Dashboard Hub,
Ooh.
a game changer for anyone looking to centralize their data, track KPIs, and enhance collaboration across your teams and business. Whether you're in finance, marketing, HR, or operations, this app is for you. And by the end, you'll learn how to leverage the power of centralized dashboards and real time insights to make better business decisions. And don't forget, stay tuned for more on how you can try these tools out for yourself with a free trial. So let's jump into the first topic is the importance of centralized data and real-time decision making inside the finance team. Let's kick things off. I'm telling you, data centralization is vital to any business. But one of the biggest challenges in finance is getting all the numbers to tell the story. Data's coming from everywhere, different systems, different tools, different departments, and trying to piece it all together can feel like a never ending puzzle for CFOs and finance professionals. That's where Dashboard Hub comes in. Integrated within Monday.com, this app allows you to centralize data from multiple sources, like your dashboards, your workspaces, and even external platforms such as Jira, all into one centralized dashboard. Imagine having all that information at your fingertips, updated in real time with no more delays, no more outdated reports, just real time insights that enable you and your team to make better informed decisions faster and more efficient in all one central place. As a CFO, data centralization is critical. We're not just looking at the numbers, we're creating the story that ultimately is going to drive the business strategy. Dashboard Hubs gives us the tools to help us streamline that process. One example that I like to share is streamlining the sales and planning process. Having everyone work in one centralized platform and one tool makes data and insights super easy. The second thing that I want to talk about is the customized insights and trends and dashboards that you get. Now, customization is one of the most exciting aspects of Dashboard Hub. And this is where it becomes most flexible. But every business is different, and so are their needs. So with Dashboard Hub, you're able to create a fully customized dashboard to focus on the metrics that matters most to you and your team. Whether it's finance tracking, project timelines, sales performance, you can design dashboards that provide cross project insights, identify bottlenecks, and highlight trends across your entire operations. But this isn't just a one size fits all approach. You can create formulas, you can add KPIs, and you can also set custom alerts. So whether you're in finance or other departments, you can see the bigger picture. And this ability to pull data together from various systems and track performance becomes a game changer for CFOs and finance professionals. For example, if you're managing multiple teams or accounts, having these insights can help you identify trends that you may have missed. And working inside of HR and operational groups, this becomes hugely valuable for finance and overall business partners working together. The third area that I want to talk about is the importance of KPI tracking inside the business for forecasting and planning. And as a CFO, tracking KPIs is at the heart of what we do. But let me ask you this. Are those KPIs that you're tracking updated in real time? If not, that's where Dashboard Hub allows you to interact with these KPIs and track everything from financial health to operational efficiency all in one place. But it isn't just about tracking the numbers. It's about improving collaboration. Your team can access these dashboards, make updates, and also share comments with finance on specific metrics. So when you're in finance or other areas of the business, all working together using the same data, alignment becomes effortless. But it's not just about the visibility, it's also about the engagement and collaboration that finance can have with the business. Because this approach allows more agility inside the organization. And with more agility, we're able to have better forecasting, better planning, and overall management, which ultimately is going to lead to better results for finance teams and also working inside the business. Because this is all centralized into one place. So I know you're wondering, Chris, this sounds awesome. Where can I dive deep? Where can I learn more? Where can I learn more about what you shared today? Well, if you're using Monday.com, head over to Monday.com's marketplace and look for Dashboard Hub. If you're not a current Monday.com user, head over to www.appfire.com and search Dashboard Hub. Also, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description so you can get your 14-day trial for free and you can start exploring some of these features and learn the impact for yourself. Hey, thank you all for tuning in. Be sure to share this video with your team, your finance, your other people. Also, make sure to head over to Monday.com's marketplace and try Dashboard Hub for yourself. And let me know how it's transforming some of your workflows. Let me know how that collaboration, that centralized dashboard reporting, that real-time KPI tracking is helping you and your finance team. And as I always end, keep pushing, never settle, and the best is yet to come. Let's get it. Thank you, everybody.